Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy USD Tether on the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So to buy USD Tether, you just have to open the FTX app, then go to the invest section, and at the invest section, as you can see, there are 4 categories: crypto, stocks, NFTs, and fiat currencies. In the fiat currency section, there are only 3 fiat currencies as of now: Euro, Canadian dollar, and British pound. At least for me in Europe, it might be different in America. So to invest in USD Tether, you just have to go to the crypto section, tap on the USD Tether icon, and here you can see a few statistics regarding the USD Tether, the charts from the last hour or 1 day. If you're into day trading, you can also see 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year chart. If you scroll even further down, you can see some more informations around this coin: volume, the trading volume in the last 24 hours, popularity, obviously it's the 3rd one behind Bitcoin and Ethereum, market capital, which is 82 billion, and the circulating supply. And below that you can read some informations about the USD Tether. Now, if you want to invest, you just have to tap on buy, and from here you just have to type in the amount that you would like to invest in this cryptocurrency. I would not do that right now because I don't want to show all my personal information on the internet. But yeah, from here it's very simple. If you don't have an FTX account, you first have to register and sign in. But if you have, you just have to sign in and you can go on and buy any cryptocurrencies. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.